Hello, and welcome to the Warner Library tutorial page. In this video, we will go over how to request a book through Interlibrary Loan. Let's get started. First, go to the Interlibrary Loan box found here on the library's website. Scroll down to the page to reach the Book Request section. From here, select the Easy Borrow link. If the book you are looking for is not available through Easy Borrow, return here and select the WorldShare link instead. You can also use WorldShare for single book chapters. Easy Borrow is a tool that collects data from catalogs of select libraries on the Northeast Coast, allowing you to request books from them. They are then shipped to Eastern for you to use. Because these books are owned by other libraries, please note that due dates are strictly held, and they can only be renewed once. Before going any further, please ensure that we do not have access to the book by double-checking within our catalog or Eagle search. Links to videos explaining either of these functions are in the description below. Once in Easy Borrow, you can do either a simple or advanced search for the book you wish to borrow. When you find the book you wish to borrow, click on the Request button. A pop-up window will first appear asking you to log in. Select Eastern University as the home institution and then type your Eastern ID. Finally, click Submit. Your order will be sent out to the libraries that own the book and will ship out within a week. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. To see more videos, check out our YouTube channel and don't hesitate to contact the library for additional assistance.